We are in support of the conservatory orders remaining in force is that when Justice Richard Mwongo was issuing these orders before Kirugoya Law Court, he had in mind petition E013 and petition E014. So he knew very well what he was doing because we appeared before him several times and we tried to stop the impeachment proceedings. However, it was not possible and he consolidated the files. Therefore, if you look at our petition E013, what we are asking for is an apology by the Deputy President of Kenya, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua. So if these conservatory orders are lifted, what are we going to do? Are we not engaging in an academic exercise where our petition has been consolidated, but we are not being given a right to fair hearing so that the court can understand why we need this apology? And this petition was filed first. It was filed on the 25th September before the impeachment and after the impeachment. So we are praying that we be given a right to fair hearing. We be heard first. We have nothing against Professor Kindiki. However, once he assumes office, he will now become a deputy president. And therefore, we do not need an apology from Kindiki. We need an apology from Rigathi Gachagua. And we need an apology from him when he's at his official residence. No. They will have, no, allow me to.
My Lord, may I just interfere? The petition by Kimotho and company required the Deputy President, then, now impeached, to apologize to the National Intelligence Service, NIS, completely overtaken by events. I don't even know why she's here.
No. That is uncalled for, and I hope the bench will protect me.
I think Ms. Kimotho is rightly before the court.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Judge, for protecting me, because I almost quoted the paragraph 110 of the disposition of this court where you assured us that we are going to have a fair hearing. So therefore, thank you, Justice Charo. So what I'm saying is that, yes, so what I am saying is that we need an apology from the Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, him being the Deputy President of Kenya. So what we are saying is that we want him, at least we are going to support even the issues of how he was impeached so that we can get to the bottom of this. And we still have a chance because he has not left office. And if he has not left office, then we have a chance to be heard in our petition, E013. So allow us to be heard so that after we are heard, the court can decide if our petition has merit or not. And that's why we are in support of this. And we do not want a kienyeji apology. Our apology is very clear from our pleadings, because these utterances he made when he was in office, and they carried weight. Why we are insisting is that the NIS team, and especially my client who is affiliated to the NIS, he was affected. In fact, where he stays in Kirinyaga, he cannot stay anymore because of those utterances. No, these issues are in our petition. The respondents have not responded. In fact, our petition is unopposed. So therefore, we are insisting, if at the interim stage, the conservatory orders are lifted, what it means is that we will not have a chance to get what we are praying for in the final stage. So it will be in our view, we will have been overtaken by events at that particular moment. Therefore, when we remove this conservatory order, it only means that we'll have a final order in the interim, because now there will be a new deputy president, and we sued Honorable Rigathi Gachagua when he was the sitting deputy president, as deputy president, not as the Honorable Rigathi Gachagua. So we are praying that the court do look at this. There was also an issue of public participation. Once we were consolidated, those are the issues that are also in petition E014 on how the public participation was conducted, which we, of course, we support. It was hurriedly done. So we did not even have a chance, or many people and many Kenyans did not have a chance to give their views. So again, just 1 minute. Again, this is what we are saying. It will now go to an academic exercise where we just appear before the court and expect just to be told you have no right anymore, and you're overtaken by events, just like some councils were trying to say. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Your Lordship.